Hey yo, what up? It's Hunter Woods again with another MPC tutorial. Today we're gonna do audio tracks. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do audio tracks for vocals, not audio tracks for recording direct input instruments. All right, you could apply the same principles to that, but like I said, we're gonna be doing vocals so that we can show people they gotta put some respect on the MPC software, letting them know that it is a DAW that you could work in, you can make beats, you can mix beats, you can record vocals, you can mix vocals, you know what I'm saying? You could bounce that out and have a fully ready track. Alright? So let's go. First things first, you want to make sure your preferences is right. You know what I'm saying? Have your audio interface, whatever you're using, your microphone set up. So you go to preferences, audio, input outputs is set properly. Alright? Next thing you want to do is select audio mode. Usually when you start up, it's going to be in MIDI mode. So on the software, click audio. On the hardware, click audio. After that, you want to add tracks. You know what I'm saying? I already got my tracks added. You do the same. After that, you want to load up an instrumental. Already got my instrumental loaded up. Go to sample edit. Hit detect. You know what I'm saying? Got 9002 BPM. It's relative, but you want to make sure that it's set properly so you don't have any issues with the metronome. After that, go to channel input or channel mixer. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? Select the actual tracks that you're going to be recording on. Hit shift so you can select all of them. Scroll up. I'll be recording out of track 26. You go to input 26. They all going to switch. When you want to deselect so that you can work efficiently, hit Control on a Mac or CTRL on a Windows computer and deselect. Alright. After that, get the track that you want to work on. Well, after that, you load up your instrumental. You would throw that, go from here to here. You know what I'm saying? Already did it. So you go to the track that you want to work on. Now, depending on your instrumental, your song might have an intro, might have the verse before the hook, might have verse ad-libs. You know, definitely got to have the ad-libs nowadays. Everybody is checking for the ad-libs. Alright. So, once you have all that ready, go back to the channel mixer. I like to work out the channel mixer. Monitor, input monitor, record ready on the channel strip that you're working on. So I think this has an intro, so we're going to record a little intro, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Record arm on the transport, play start. Oh yeah. No. Hold up, undo. I was too hype. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's get to it. You already know. It's 100 acres. The beat maker. We just gonna talk. I ain't a rapper. Simple. Recorded a little intro. Not going to show you how to punch in right now because it's a little bit more involved than just getting your audio track set up. So the next thing you want to do, you want to go to your verse, deselect. You can go to record ready, monitor input. This is my little shortcut so that you can do all your editing at the end of the song. Make sure when you got an artist that you want to record with, that they're ready to record, not trying to write on the spot. Well, I guess you could if you want to charge them extra studio time. But if you're a real engineer, recording engineer, real producer, real G, then you ain't gonna want to have to waste your time. So make sure that they come to the studio with the rhymes already. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a rapper. Don't expect too much from me right now, but let's go. Oh yeah. Let's get to it. You already know. It's 100 acres. The beat maker. We just gonna talk. I ain't a rapper. Sometimes I rhyme slow, sometimes I rhyme quick. I had a few honeys on my tip, but they was hella broke, so I had to split. Your boy is quite allergic to that broke shit. You get it? I need cash, investing in my dreams. I need a girl to squirt with a coochie that'll cream. From everything I tell her when I whisper in the ear, oh yeah, if that sounds like you, girl, come here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I was light. You know what I'm saying? Little something to show you that you can record. Just listen back to it. You know, I felt confident about that first take. I didn't have to record it over. If I had the whole 8 bars, 4 bars, whatever. Don't judge me. Oh yeah. Let's get to it. You already know. It's 100 acres. The beat maker. We just gonna talk. I ain't a rapper. Sometimes I rhyme slow, sometimes I rhyme quick. I had a few honeys on my tip, but they was hella broke, so I had to split. Your boy is quite allergic to that broke shit. You get it? I need cash, investing in my dreams. I need a girl to squirt with a coochie that'll cream. From everything I tell her when I whisper in the ear, oh yeah, if that sounds like you, girl, come here. Alright, sounds like a good take to me. So now after that, you go to your ad-libs and all that. I'm not going to go to no ad-libs. I might actually finish that and work on a song, you know what I mean? If I work on a song, then I'll share it with you. I'll post it on my YouTube. But from there, you would want to mix your vocals. You could set everything to your sub-mixes. So we go back, select all the tracks again, your sub-mix out, sub-mix 1. And this is where you would start to add, let's delete programs. You start to add like your EQ. Let me see. I'm saying I already got my own EQ set up, so go for your audio. I'm saying you can add your EQ, can add your compressor, all that. And you just, when you finish, save the project, and you Gucci. So, if you got any more questions, just holla at me. I was thinking about doing tutorials like as a thing, but it's really like involved. I didn't realize how involved this process was and how much research you might have to do. I mean, even though I kind of know how to navigate around the MPC, it's a lot more involved than it seems. So I think it would be best if you had a question, just hit me up directly and I'll make a video for you specifically and I'll build my tutorial catalog like that. So with that being said, it's your man 100 Acre Woods. This is the MPC tutorials, the MPC gospel according to 100 Acre Woods. I'm out.